In this video, I will be showing you how to update software in your iPhone. All iPhone software updating are the same. I am using iPhone 15 in this video. First, you need to open the settings icon in this screen. Next, you need to click an Open General tab in this screen. And next, you need to click Software Update tab to proceed with the video. In the Software Update settings page, you have the option of updating your iPhone software right now, or you can update later night, or download the software and update later. Or you have the option of updating the most recent software. In this video, I will be updating the 17.7 version of the software. Next, for security reasons, we need to add in the iPhone passcode to continue the software update process. The software started updating and it will take a while for software updating process. And done. I request you to subscribe, like and comment to my video, and click the bell icon to get video updates when we add new content.